infinity and beyond.
All right, there goes Kevin, going down something that these probably aren't made for. Oh. Was that the front? Yeah, that front we can put you. Here he comes, death-defying act. Yes, he got the wall. Yeah, baby, you're getting it. You're getting him slow. Oh God! Oh man, the mighty monkey does it. Good riding, baby. That was a good one.
Yeah!
Here comes mighty Kevin on the mighty monkey. Death-defying act. Here he comes. See what he can do. That was a good one. That was a good one. Oh man. Okay. I gotta get closer. That is so funny. Let me come over here. I was thinking it was this one, but it's over here. Okay, here we go. I want to be far enough away that... He lost his feet. Was that a ball breaker?
No, I just
Careful, careful. These downhills will get you. Oh man, I've laughed so hard today I'm about to die. He's the best landers. Should I give it one more? Yeah. Oh man, baby.
The amazing Laura Lee and her second attempt. Okay. Yeah, that was a good one.
I feel like that was a success.
That was good.
I stayed in second, I think.
You did.
Oh man.